Hey, welcome back. This is episode 2, and today we are talking about something that's either going to make you a lot of money or keep you broke forever. And that thing is attention, more specifically, the attention economy, and why your content, your ads, your posts, your everything is getting completely ignored right now. But don't worry, by the end of this episode, you're going to know exactly how to fix it. So let's dive in. All right, quick question. How many times today have you picked up your phone? 10 times, 20, 50? Yeah, me too. And every single time you unlock that screen, there are literally thousands of pieces of content fighting for your eyeballs. Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikToks, LinkedIn posts, Twitter threads, WhatsApp status, ads, memes, news, everything. Your brain is being bombarded non-stop. And here's the problem. Your audience, the people you're trying to reach as a marketer, they're going through the exact same thing. So when you post something, when you run an ad, when you create content, you're not just competing with your competitors, you're competing with cat videos, celebrity gossip, funny memes, breaking news, and that one friend who always posts drama. Welcome to the attention economy. And if you don't understand how it works, you're dead in the water. Let's talk about what you're going to learn today. First, what the attention economy actually is and why it matters more than ever in 2025 and 2026. Second, why most content gets ignored, the psychology behind it. Third, the 3-second rule and how to use it. Fourth, real examples of content that wins versus content that dies. And fifth, your action steps to start creating thumb stopping content today. Let's start with the basics. The attention economy is a simple idea. Attention is the new currency. It's more valuable than money in some cases. Because if you have someone's attention, you can sell to them, influence them, build trust with them, turn them into customers. But here's the thing, attention is scarce and it's getting scarcer every single day. Think about it. In 2010, people spent maybe an hour a day on social media. Now, the average person spends 4 to 6 hours a day on their phone. But the amount of content being created has exploded. Every minute, 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube. Every second, thousands of posts go live on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. So, what does that mean for you as a marketer? It means you have less time to make an impact. You have 3 seconds, maybe less, to grab someone's attention. If you fail, they scroll and you lose. And this is exactly why most content fails. Because people are still creating content like it's 2018, long intros, slow builds, boring openings. Nobody has time for that anymore. Let me give you the cold hard truth. Your audience does not care about you. They don't care about your brand. They don't care about your product. Not yet, anyway. What do they care about? Themselves, their problems, their desires, their emotions, their entertainment. So if your content is not immediately relevant, interesting, shocking, funny, or valuable, they're gone. Scroll. Next. This is why the hook is everything. And when I say hook, I mean the first 3 seconds of your video, the first line of your post, the first frame of your ad. Let me show you what I mean. Bad hook. Hi guys, my name is Rahul and today I'm going to talk about digital marketing tips. Boring, generic, instant scroll, good hook. I made 12 lakh rupees last month using one simple Google Ads trick and I'm about to show you exactly how. Boom. Now you're curious, now you want to watch. See the difference? The first one is about you. The second one is about the result, the benefit, the value for the viewer. Here's another example. Bad hook. In this video, I'll explain what SEO is. Snooze fest, good hook. Google just killed SEO. And if you are still doing keyword stuffing, you're finished. Now I've got your attention. You're either curious or you're mad. Either way, you're watching. This is what I call the 3-second rule. In the first 3 seconds, you need to do one of these things: make them curious, shock them, make them laugh, trigger an emotion, promise a result, or break a belief. If you can't do one of those in 3 seconds, your content is invisible. Period. Now, let's talk about why this matters so much in 2025 and 2026 specifically. because the platforms have changed. Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, they're all algorithm driven now. And the algorithm doesn't care about how hard you worked on your content, it only cares about one thing: engagement. Did people watch it? Did they like it? Did they comment? Did they share it? Did they watch it all the way through? If yes, the algorithm shows it to more people. If no, your content dies in the void. So, attention isn't just nice to have, it's the foundation of everything. No attention means no reach. No reach means no views. No views means no leads. No leads means no sales. Game over. But here's the good news: once you understand this, you can reverse engineer it. You can create content that's designed to capture attention, hold it, and convert it into action. Let me give you a real world example. There's a guy I know who runs a fitness coaching business. He used to post long educational videos, talking head, explaining exercises, nutrition science, all that. Good information, but nobody watched. Then he switched his strategy. He started posting 15-second reels with hooks like this: I ate 6 meals a day and gained zero muscle. Here's what I was doing wrong. Or this one exercise is destroying your lower back and you're probably doing it right now. Boom. Instantly, his views went from 200 to 50,000. Same guy, same expertise, different approach. He learned how to play the attention economy. And that's what you need to do too. Whether you're posting organic content or running paid ads, the rules are the same. Hook them fast, deliver value, guide them to action. Now, let's bust some myths because I know what you're thinking. Myth number one: if I create good content, people will eventually find it. Wrong. Good content that nobody sees is worthless. You need attention first, then you can deliver value. Myth number two: clickbait is bad. Not exactly. Clickbait that lies is bad. But curiosity driven hooks, bold claims, pattern interrupts, those are not clickbait. That's smart marketing. As long as you deliver on the promise, you're golden. Myth number three: attention grabbing content is shallow or low quality. Also wrong. You can grab attention and still provide deep value. Look at creators like Ali Abdal, Hormozi, Media. They hook you in 3 seconds and then give you gold for the next 10 minutes. Myth number 4: my audience is different. They don't care about the hooks or entertainment. Yes, they do. Even B2B audiences, even professionals, even CEOs, they're still human. They still scroll. They still get bored. You need to earn their attention just like everyone else. All right, let's talk about the formula. How do you actually create content that wins in the attention economy? Here are the core principles. Principle 1: start with the end. What's the payoff? What's the big idea? What's the result? Lead with that. Don't bury it in the middle. Principle 2: use pattern interrupts. Say something unexpected. Go against common advice. Ask a bold question. Make people stop and think, wait, what? Principle 3: trigger emotion fast. Make them laugh, make them curious, make them angry, make them inspired. Emotion drives action. Logic justifies it later. Principle 4: keep it tight. Cut the fluff. Every second counts. If a sentence doesn't add value, delete it. If a scene doesn't move the story forward, cut it. Principle 5: test and iterate. Not every hook will work. Not every piece of content will go viral. But if you keep testing, you'll find patterns. You'll see what resonates. Then you double down. Here's your homework for this episode: go to Instagram or YouTube right now. Find 5 pieces of content that made you stop scrolling. Could be ads, could be reels, could be shorts. Save them. Now analyze them. Write down the hook. What did they say or show in the first 3 seconds? Why did it work? What emotion did it trigger? How did they keep you watching? Then create your own hook. Pick a topic related to your niche or your business. Write 3 different hooks for it. Make them bold, make them curious, make them impossible to ignore. You don't have to record anything yet. Just practice writing hooks, because once you master the hook, everything else gets easier. All right, let's wrap this up. Here's what I want you to remember: attention is the game. If you don't have it, nothing else matters. Not your skills, not your product, not your not your message. But the good news is attention is a skill. It's not magic, it's not luck, it's pattern recognition, psychology, and practice. And you can learn it. The old way of marketing was build it and they will come. The new way is grab their attention, deliver value, earn their trust, then guide them to action. And in 2025 and 2026, the people who master this are going to dominate. The people who ignore it are going to wonder why nobody's watching their stuff. So, which one are you going to be? All right, that's episode 2. In the next one, we're going to talk about the content pyramid. How to create a system that gets you views, builds your brand, and generates leads all at the same time. See you there. Let's go.